Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on TA and why I'm not really bearish, not really bullish. I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen. It really is, about a 50-50%, right? The only good thing right now that I can see on AMC is there is a gap that needs to be filled up here at the $12.88 level. We did drop and we had a huge gap from 12.88 down to 10.19. So we do need to fill that 100%. I don't know when that's going to get filled, but you guys know I'm a big believer of gaps getting filled. The only good thing, the only solid thing that I can actually see right now is that we are about to cross the the hour MACD. The last time we actually did that was actually back here on the 23rd of December. Or January, actually. I think it's the 23rd of January, right? 23rd of January was right back over here. So from when we actually crossed, So when we actually crossed to the highs that we actually hit, we did a full 493%, but that took 4 days from the actual crossing. I do think that we are going to cross that hour sometime today. Is there a chance that we would hit that same kind of percentage increase? I don't think we would actually hit the same mark, right? So last time we went up by 16 points. I don't think we're going to rally up that high. Because last time we did rally all the way up towards, $20.41. I think maybe we might rally towards $20. But that did take a couple of days. It took 4 days and 20 hours, right? From when it actually crossed over. So it would actually mean that it would actually start the movement today and possibly go until Monday. And that's only with the hour MACD actually crossing towards the upside, which you guys can see here. It's actually crossing. It's getting just about ready to cross. And then up here, we actually see AMC, not necessarily rallying, but, definitely giving a good upside towards like the $9 and almost touching that $10 barrier, right? So as of right now, am I bullish? I think so. I think right now I'm more bullish than bearish. I'm still like 90% sure that my calls, everything it's going to expire worthless. So like I told you guys before, I am, completely okay with losing that 14,000 that I put into calls for AMC, because as far as, I know a lot of you guys know that last week on GameStop, I made like around $40,000 profit off of GameStop. So I did YOLO those AMC calls. And I'm completely okay with losing that money because, I didn't have that money, in the first place. It's just extra money. I called it house money, but I feel like a lot of people actually took it like I was playing with actual house money. Like, no. I'm not playing with house money. I'm playing with house money from my broker, right? From the actual gains that I made. But as of right now, I do see the only really good thing that I see right now is AMC crossing over more than likely on the bullish side on this MACD. We do need to break this level, though. I do think within the next couple of hours, we are going to be breaking this $11.30-ish level. We do need to break this trend 100%. If we go up, we bounce, and then we go all the way back down, 100%, we're not moving anywhere upwards for the rest of the week, 100%. But if we somehow manage to break this trend line on the fib today, I do think there's a really solid chance that we can hit $16, possibly sometime during this week. And that's actually a pretty bullish sentiment, right? Because in order for us to go back to $20 from here, we need to do about 150% gain, which is kind of a lot. But last time when we actually crossed the hour MACD, we did almost a 500% gain, which was about a 16-point move. And then from here, a 16-point move would put AMC at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about $25, which would be the actual, I think it would be somewhere in the mid-range of the next fib level. But as of right now, I am bullish on AMC. We need to see how strong this hour MACD gets broken on the bullish side, and then we kind of go from there. But if it does get broken, I do think there's a solid chance of us going back to $16, possibly low 20s. But I think there's more of a chance of us hitting $16 than anything else. I'll drop a technical analysis on GameStop, and I'll probably do one for Riot. I'll probably do one for BlackBerry, Nokia, Amazon, especially now that Jeff Bezos is leaving, right? Jeff Bezos is leaving is stepping down as a CEO. He's gonna stay on the table as a chairman, right? On the board, but he is leaving and stepping down. Anyways, I'll do that for a different video. But here's the TA. I do think as of this week we are gonna be going towards the upside as long as there's no more short ladders being hit on AMC, right? But it's really just about, you know, looking at certain indicators, looking at the momentum, and kind of gauging where we're going to be in the next couple of days. But I do think we have a good chance of going back to $16 at the end of this week. I don't know if we're going to break that. But again, the only way that we'll see 16 bucks is if we break this trend line right here. If we bounce this trend line down, if we bounce off this trend line, go back down, 100% we're staying flat, and I'm expecting a full 14K loss this week from AMC. So that's the crappy part, but I mean, that's what you get with trading, right? Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and at the end of the day, you can't really, you know, you can't really take it to heart because it was a decision that you made because you thought that it was, you know, a good decision at the time. So I'll see you guys later. With that being said, I'll end the video. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. I'll keep uploading, you know, TA and more news and stuff as I have more time away from work. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day, guys.